DD India's Jessica Taneja now joins us from Red Fort. Jessica, what's the update from ground and what are the leads so far that the investigators are pursuing?
Well, Monmon, this is indeed a very grim morning for the national capital. I am right outside the premises of Red Fort and, in fact, on the Subhash Marg, where this entire incident took place last evening at around 6:48 p.m. And you see behind me, there is a lot of security presence and the area has been cordoned off while the investigations continue. Just few meters away from me, where the tents are now set up for the investigation teams to come and sort of probe the matter and give more details as to what really is the cause behind this car blast that took 8 lives and injured several others. An incident that has left the nation mourning this particular day, and more answers will be given in a short while from now, as and when the agencies are able to determine whether this was an intended blast. If so, who were the people behind it? Now, giving our viewers an understanding of what has transpired in the last 24 hours also is that the national capital has been shook by this massive blast that not just only took 8 lives and injured several others, but also sort of created a sense of panic for the residents living around here. Now, remember, this is an important path where you have the Chandni Chowk market right here, which is bustling with people all day, and especially on this important time of the year when you have weddings and a lot of tourists visiting as well, which is towards the Red Fort as well. So when the blast took off, people around, the shops around, the restaurants, even the mandir here was taken aback, and people seem to have shuddered at the thought of the intensity of the blast that they had witnessed yesterday. Because if you see the parts of the car that did blow away and blow apart, could be seen even till the point where I'm standing, which is roughly around 100 feet away from where initially the blast took place, by a slow-moving I-20 that then stopped at the red light. And there were more than 6 cars that also caught fire after that, high-intensity blast took off. Now, what we do know so far, the police have ruled out a lot of causes, perhaps, but of the blast, which also includes IED blasts, etc., etc. But they're not ruling out at this point an intention of deliberate attack or to create a sense of panic in the national capital. You see, many areas have been put on high alert, including the Delhi Indira Gandhi International Airport and many other government official buildings as well. But if you talk about this, just a short while ago, Munmun, I also saw the NSG commandos team leave from here towards the site of the investigation to join in with other agencies as well, which were brought in immediately last night when the blast was reported to the local police station around 6:52 p.m. That is where the teams were called in, be it the fire tenders or the Delhi Police Special Cell, the NI,
Right.
the FSL, the NSG, all had come in to sort of control the sense of chaos that was created by that blast of that intensity that we saw last evening in the national capital.
Right, Jessica Taneja reporting from Red Fort in New Delhi near the blast site.